guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So in today's video, I am gonna be taking out these box braids because it's time. It's been about 4 weeks now and I miss my hair. As much as I love these box braids, which I probably will do again, not gonna lie, I am just ready to have my hair back. But I think a month is a fair enough time to have left them in. So I counted these earlier today and there's a total of 118 braids that I need to get out. So I hope that this doesn't take long. But you know what? Let's go ahead and get started. Let's not waste time. Timer now. I guess we'll start here. So I have my handy dandy scissors. And I don't even know where to start cutting. My hair is not like that long, but I'm just scared. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna start here just to be safe. I don't think that my hair is that long, but let's not risk it. All right. So a few of the complications I experienced while having braids, I wouldn't even say complications because it's probably the norm, but for me, like I would say the first week, my scalp was itchy and I even had like a little bit of a rash. And I just had to keep like moisturizing because I couldn't tell if it was from the braid hair or if it was just like my scalp being dry. But yeah, it was not fun. And in that moment, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to take these out. But then I just realized that, you know, it's part of the process. And eventually it went away after like a week and a half. I didn't feel any more itchiness. My real hair. I could have cut so much more off. Hallelujah. One down, 117 to go. Ooh, I wonder how much shed hair I'm gonna have. This is just from that first little section. So I'm just gonna compile this and I'll show you at the end. It's super loud outside, so I apologize. But halfway done. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to finish the side. So I'm gonna just try to hurry and get this done as fast as I can off camera. Before I go, I just want to show you my shed hair for this half of my hair, and look at that. It looks like a little tumbleweed. I don't know if this is a lot or a little, but it has been a month. So yeah, here's one half. Now let's get the other half out of the way because I'm over this. I'm ready to wash my hair. I'll be back. Last freaking braid. Oh my gosh, I don't even know, like this has literally taken me all day long. 6 hours. 6 hours. So yeah, I am just very excited to get this out and just wash my hair. I see my hair. I see my hair. Oh man. Get this out. Oh my gosh, it's coming out. Oh, yes, yes. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jesus. Shed hair update. This is like both of my tumbleweed hairballs combined. I'm free. Free at last. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm about to wash my hair, and if I wasn't in such a rush, I would take you guys into the shower with me, but I ain't got time. Like, I need to get this hair washed ASAP. So I will be back afterwards with my hair freshly washed and done, and it's gonna be dried and popping, curls popping. But before I leave, let me just show you how much hair was in my hair. This is all the hair that was in my hair, and there is a little bit more. It's out, I'm free, and I'm about to wash this mane. So I'll see you in a bit. They're back, baby. Look at, I mean, I really miss these. Look, it's almost like a heart shape. I have to say that while I did love having the braids in, because honestly, it was so much less maintenance. That part was amazing, and just how they looked, I loved having them in, but I am so happy to have my curls back. What are your thoughts on the before and the after? If you enjoyed watching this video, then please feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, might as well subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button down below. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.